Alright, it's time to test some PvP in the new version. My prediction is a lot of people are going to push me into a corner with a shield or dual wielding and shred me because I'm not going to have room to use this thing efficiently. That's basically what I think is going to happen because the blocking physics are definitely a lot harder. Even if somebody has like a little knife, like a little insulation knife, that'll completely block this thing. So let's see what happens. Let's see if Blah survives. Now, I've been playing a lot of AI. The cadence is a lot different because you don't have the server lag. But this guy's not hard to whittle down. The shield's already gone. Yeah, the pace is definitely a lot different in PvP with the server. It's not as fluid. Damn, blah. See, even this guy with a little knife has a chance. It's a little insulation knife. There we go, a little boop to the face. I get some WD on my fingers. See that little pling? Did you hear the pling? That means it does nothing. Of course, that was a miss. That was a strike, but I think some of that got blocked. I think the server lag is deceptive with how much damage you're doing also. Guess I can push this guy. Push him a little bit, get some room. Oh, God damn it. How many headshots did I get earlier? That didn't do shit. Of course, the shields too. Blocking with the shields ain't enough. You gotta be able to block with a little ass knife. Of course, that fell short. A lot of times playing against AI will spoil you because human opponents tend to press a lot more. How many times did I have to hit that little ass nipple shield, dude? There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Of course, he's gonna press, so I need to try to take out that shield as soon as possible. Stay on top of that head. Let me... That axe will make really quick work of my ass. Alright, I got it. It's bound up around my body. I got time to push. This axe is locked up. This axe is locked up. Keep pushing. Back up. Back up. Oh, something happened to him. Server lag. There we go. Nice little high shot. Couple shots at that shield. Try to take out that damn shield. I hate shields. There we go. It's gone. He had enough. It was either the server or he was just automatically nope. A lot of people see this thing and they just don't want to play. Uh-oh. This guy might be a problem. Keep them high shots, keep my space, don't let them chop me up too much. Really need that quicker striking rod. Oh, there we go. Oh, he's got me locked up. I can't get a swing in. Try to veggie tails towards him. Shit, shit, shit. He's standing on it. Oh, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Well placed shot to the dome. Back up. You might wise up and start pressing me. Don't back up, buddy. Don't give me room, bro. That'll happen. Should have kept pressing. Should have just pushed me right into that corner. You new players, pay attention. If you're that guy, push my ass into a corner. Uh-oh, a shield. Attack the shield a little bit. Maybe I can take that thing out before he pushes me up. Keep that shield high, bro. I don't know why I do those premature swings without stepping in. There goes the shield. He's done. You're done, pal. Unless you can get one of my arms, you're done. Alright, he's pressing me a little. Bit more, too late. My god, this thing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Bro has a claymore. That thing's faster than I am. That thing's faster than I am. I'm in trouble. I'm in big trouble. Shit. Back up. All he has to do is gyrate that thing around my arms and it's over. That is my biggest weakness, is edged weapons when I'm like this. Yeah, he's gonna dominate this one unless I get some crazy power swings in. Too late. Yep, that was no bueno. Too fast. Didn't I meet you earlier, buddy? Yeah, you're not ready for this. Although I bitch about the blocking, but you know, maybe the balance is better now, because this weapon's so damn powerful. Uh-oh. Another fast one. Keep that shield high, buddy. There you go. Let me knock out that shield real quick. Real quick. Let me do some quick work to that. There we go. One more shot. One more shot to the dome. One more shot. It's like I'm programmed to do the dip now. Maybe I should follow through with some swings there, but my muscle memory's set on the high dip right now. Okay, now he's wising up, pressing me. Diligent. Maybe he can get one of my arms, but it's too late, buddy. Oh shit, I done passed out. He's bonking me. Too late. Alright, where are the Chads at? Someone's gonna show up and just hand me my ass here in a second. Watch it be a bloody legend next. How much you want to bet? It's gonna be a damn bloody legend. I can feel the karma cooking. The karma's stacking against me. I can feel it. I don't know. That Claymore guy was pretty good karma. Crazy. Oh no, not. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, you got a katana. Come on. You just got a katana. She's quick with it though. People who are quick with double-handed swords definitely will trump me when I'm using this big clunky thing. Shit. She got an early strike. Like, ooh, shit. Right off the bat. See, when she's moving that fast, there's a lot of animation that's not making it to my screen. So she's probably dealing a lot more blows than what it's showing. But yeah, this thing's way too slow to deal with that. Yep. Oh no, I have to. I don't want to, but I have. Look at that block. And when she's moving that fast, she's owning the sky. And if I so much as touch that sword, it's blocking everything. So she's able to spin that sword like a motherfucker. And as long as that sword is saturating the air around her, if I strike it, there's basically nothing I can do. Look at that. How many supposed headshots was that? But it caught that sword because she's spinning it like a fucking propeller. Anyway, that's the new physics. And I'm not gonna bitch, because it brings balance, dude. That weapon is so powerful, maybe we need some blocking physics. Maybe that brings back some of the lighter, faster weapons. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Watching Blah E Nubs get nubbed. See ya.